Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use assistant suggestions in Google Messages. So that's only can be with using the Google Assistant, and also you can use your phone's AI. That's the AI that you use on your phone. So what I want you to do is to tap hold the middle button of your phone and the bottom. So hold it, tap and hold it, and here you can ask your assistant to send a message for you in Google Message to someone that you want to send the message to. And also you can, here as you can see, you can send it by using the voice or just by typing. So let's say hi, for example, and then let's say can you please send a message to my father and Google Messages. Alright, and you just need to wait. Okay, what message would you like to send to your father? It says. So for example, I'm not gonna get back home today or tonight, anyways. And it will be just like that. It says are you ready to send it? Then tap on send. Alright, and once you tap on that option, it will be visible on your, and it will be sended on your Google Messages, just like that. Anyways guys, it's so simple and so easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you again.